how we can work around with keying inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. But for that, I need to go around and add a media first, and I'm going to go to Project Assets panel, double click over here until my Explorer window pops up right here. So you can see that it pops up. And over here, I have a green screen footage, as you can see, just like this. So this is what I have right here. So now if I were to go around and bring this in, I'm going to go around and bring this in onto video 2 right here. So this is what I have, as you can see. And if you want to go around and remove out the green screen background right here, then you can go around under effects right here. So under effects, you can go around onto show all and then choose keying. And there are various keying options, as you can see right here. And what you may want to do choose is chroma key right here, because I have my green screen right here. So I can just go around and apply it out right here. And let me just go around and delete it out. That is because I want the chroma key right over here on this clip. So let me just go around and keep that in. So now I can go around and take this color picker and choose green right here. And if I were to change around the similarity, now you can see that I can remove out the background. You can blend it out with the original right here. So you can go around and blend it out. You can work around with the cutoff right here and increase up the threshold as well. You can go around and you can see that this is in video layer 2 right here. So I'm just going to go around and bring in a background, let's say for example, and then keep it under video 1. And you can see that it has been keyed out right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, I can delete out the key and I can go around under effects. And here you can see that there is green screen key as well. So you can just go around and bring that in as well. And you can see that it does a pretty good job right here. So let me just go around over here onto video right here. You can see that that is what you have. This is the video right here. And this is the other video right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and then move this out for a while. And you can see that this is the footage that you have right here. And this is the green screen key. So if I were to go around for low smoothing or high smoothing, it smooths out the edges over here. And you can also go around and see mask only, and you can see the elements which are actually transparent. So you can go around and utilize the cutoff to make sure that the keying is perfect right here and increase out the threshold as well. So that is what you have, and as you bring back the footage right here, then you can see that this is what you have now. So the keying is there, just like this. And that is how you can use the keying effects to select out green, or it can be other colors like blue or even purple works as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.